The biggest bottleneck in print on demand isn't finding products to sell or marketing. It's creating designs fast enough to test niches and scale what works. And today I'm showing you a tool that's solving this exact problem in a way that I haven't seen before. Vexels Designer has this AI redesign feature that lets you take professionally designed templates and instantly transform them to fit any niche while keeping all the quality, composition, and image styles that makes designs sell. So if you are a beginner struggling to create professional designs from scratch, or you're scaling your business and need to quickly adapt winning designs into collections, or you're trying to break into new niches without hiring designers, this changes everything. Plus, Vexels is running their Black Friday sale right now with up to 60% off, so timing couldn't be better. I'll show you exactly how this works, how to use this AI redesign feature strategically for your print-on-demand business, and why this is fundamentally different from just any generic AI image generator. So let's jump in. So what we're going to do is to transform these professionally designed templates to fit our niche or target audience while maintaining that professional quality using the AI redesign feature. So let's take this design as an example. This is a design that has a great composition, great color harmony, professional and consistent elements, and that matches with the fonts, and the style of the design is coherent. So this is a professional design that looks very nice on a t-shirt. So we can simply open this template and start working on it using the AI design feature. So by simply selecting any design element on any template, and in our case I'm going to select the eagle, you can see that there are two features appearing at the top, the redesign feature and the replace feature. So if you press on the redesign feature, this is going to open this window on the left where it says that we can preserve the design essence, and this is marked as on, and we can simply type our new prompt. So this design fits perfectly for my niche, which is wildlife. This design has an eagle. I wanted to have a line and change the text, so I'm going to write replace the eagle with a roaring lion, mid-bounce, in the same color palette, in the same style. And then I'm going to change the number of images to 4 and press on generate. So once you press on generate, the platform is going to generate the number of designs that you have chosen, and you can select between an upscale for print and remove background when selected. And here are the 4 generated results. I like this one at the top, so I'm going to select it, but before that I'm going to select both features, upscale for print and remove background when selecting, and press on it, and this is going to place the selected image and add it to my design, replacing the eagle. And as you can see, all the generated images are perfect results that matches the eagle style, the eagle color, and it is perfect for the same design concept. And here is the image added to the design, perfectly fits the style. So I'm going to press on these 3 dots and flip the design or the image horizontally to fit the same style and position of the eagle. You can stretch it to fit the design placement, and then you can simply change the text or the wording or the quote of the design. Of course, this design is for a wildlife design, a wildlife niche. So I have prepared my text in advance. I'm going to write reigns supreme. Simply double click on any text and select it and write the new text, and this will replace the old text automatically, and you can always stretch it to fit the design artboard. So just keep selecting or changing the text of your design. I'm going to add the king watches as my lower text, and also I'm going to change these 2 lines to strength echoes through the savannah. So basically this is my text for a wildlife design, but I kept the composition, the color balance, and everything of the design as is, and simply changed the main elements of the design. And this is how the AI redesign feature comes in handy. In a matter of minutes, you have a new design that fits your niche, and it is guaranteed to work as it is already designed by professional print-on-demand designers. And if you press on the download button, you can then download the design. Your design, you can you can choose between a transparent background and include the texture version, and also add a license, include the license. And once we extract the downloaded folder, we can see that the design is on a transparent background, and the dimensions of the design is 4,500 by 5,400, which is perfect for print-on-demand platforms like Amazon and Redbubble. And And if we open the license, we can clearly read that it gives you permission to sell this for print on demand. And you can also save your design by changing its name. So let's change the name to Reign Supreme, and then press on Save Project. And if you go now to My Projects, you can see that the design is saved under the projects that you have worked on. Now let me show you the second major use case for this AI redesign feature. So you can simply use it to create collections from a winning design. For example, here I have this beautiful streetwear design vibe featuring this cat skating. So I like how it looks. It's very good for t-shirts, especially on the back, targeting youth. And let's say you list this on your Etsy shop and it starts selling like crazy. It's a winner. So now what? Traditionally, you would have two options. Just keep selling this one design and hope it keeps working, or create similar versions of it targeting other niches. And this is what we're going to do. We're going to redesign this design to create a similar one, but mainly for dogs, or with dogs instead of a cat. On the right side, we have the design settings, the layers panel, and the color palette. And on the left side, we have the templates panel, the text panel, the elements panel, and the upload graphics panel. So similar to what we did before, we're going to select the skating cat. So again, we are going to press on the redesigned feature while the cat is selected, and make sure that the preserve design essence is switched on. And we're going to replace the cat with a bulldog skateboarding with the same style. And this is how you can create a collection. You can change the bulldog to all different types of dogs. So you can create the design for bulldogs, create a design for a golden retriever dogs, and all of them are skateboarding. So it's this, you keep the same design essence, the same style, but create a collection out of it by changing the type of animal or pet. But it's important to write in the same style as part of your prompt, and press on generate. This time I kept the generations to 3 generations, and here are the results. 3 different bulldogs that are in the same style. All of them are great, so I like this one. I'm going to press on it, and again you can select to remove the background and the upscale for print. And this is how the image looks like. Looks perfect on the design in the exact same style of the cat. And this is how you can create a collection out of the same design. You can of course change the text or keep it as is, and you can also vectorize the image instead of upscaling it. So select the dog, go back to the edit graphic feature, and press on vectorize, and this will convert the image to vector. So this will, you can change the colors as you want. I'm going to choose 2 colors and press on the remove background and press on the vectorize image. This will convert the image to a vector, which you can use to upscale easily without losing quality. You can also choose or change the colors of the vectorized image. So I'm going to change this off-white color to white by simply selecting the color and move it to the white color on the color palette, like so. And this is how the final design looks like. You can switch the mockup on to see how it fits on the t-shirt. You can stretch it to see how it's going to be printed, and you can also change the or move the layers positions up and down. You can also add a shadow to your text and move the text to the back or to the front using the layers panel to create a different effect. And after you finish, you can simply download it from the download button. And here's another template on Vexels, which I have used to convert or to redesign the initial design from a retro beach design to a camping van design. I simply redesigned the car with the dogs to a van with a fox and a bear, and I also redesigned another graphic element, which is the background, to be mountain instead of a beach. And finally, this Bigfoot design template, it looks really nice, so I also used the same redesign feature to create a similar design or to redesign this Bigfoot design to match my skiing niche with a phantom figure coming out of the snow, skateboarding or skiing with a glowing board. And this is how the final design looks like. All right, that's everything I wanted to show you today about Vexels AI redesign feature. Vexels Designer gives you everything you need to run a profitable merch business without needing to be a designer yourself. And the Black Friday is always a great opportunity to grab such great tools. So I hope this gave you a clear picture of how powerful this tool can be for your merch business and how it can genuinely save you hours of time while maintaining professional quality. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, drop a comment letting me know what kind of designs you would create with this tool, and subscribe if you want more print-on-demand tips and reviews. Again, the Black Friday discount link is in the description. Go grab it while it lasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.